everyone, the Ramator team is back with our latest listing in Waterloo. Located in Westvale, not only are we in Westvale, we're at 206 Westvale Drive in Waterloo. Located close to parks, schools, amenities, and the bustling Iron Needles district, this simply is a can't miss. Let's go check it out. One of my jobs as a real estate professional, whenever I go to any house, whether I'm representing the buyers or the sellers, is to do comparables. And you will do the same. Right now, we're sitting in the heart of where all the laughs, all the giggles happen in the family room of this beautiful home. There's so much to talk about and so much to see. Let's go check out some more. Whether you're hosting large family gatherings or intimate romantic dinners, this island and kitchen is the place to be. Take a look at all the cupboard space you've got, the oversized 9-foot island, updated appliances, updated lighting fixtures, and beautiful flooring. There's so much here. You need to check this out. From preparing those warm, hearty meals in the family kitchen, remember we talked about those large family gatherings? Check out this formal dining area with a ton of space for those beautiful parties. Now come with me as we check out the 4-bedroom, second story level of this home. In addition to the large primary suite, you'll also find 3 additional oversized bedrooms on the second level. Perfect for queen-size beds, chests, and desks. Now, one of the things you generally do not get with a lot of new builds in newer areas is oversized lots and big bedrooms. Take a look at this master retreat with bay windows, accent walls, and let's take a look at these double closets on either side as we head in to the spa retreat. In the primary ensuite is where you'll find double sinks, a soaker tub, and a beautifully tiled stand-up walk-in shower. Now, as we transition from those dark, cold, gloomy winter days into the beautiful, blooming spring weather, where better than to enjoy the weather than this huge deck overlooking a pie-shaped lot and a private walking path. Borrowing and mortgages being at the top of everybody's mind these days, what better way to give yourself assurance than having a completely private entrance, lower level suite complete with 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, complete kitchen with fridge, stove, and dishwasher.